Ready to unlock the power of your SQL data and turn it into stunning Tableau visualizations? Let's dive right in. First, open Tableau and head over to the Connect pane on the left here. You'll see a list of available data sources. Locate your specific SQL database type. It might be Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, or another option. Click on your SQL database connector. A connection window will pop up. This is where you'll enter your connection details. We'll need your server name, the specific database you want to access, your username, and your password. Make sure everything is accurate. Once connected, you'll be taken to the data source page here. You'll see a list of tables and views available in your database. Simply drag the table you want to analyze onto the canvas. Tableau will then display a preview of the data. Want more control over your data? Click the new Custom SQL option. This lets you write SQL queries directly within Tableau to filter, aggregate, and transform your data before visualizing it. Write your query in the text box. Now, click on the Sheet 1 tab to go to your worksheet. From here, it's just like using Tableau with any other data source. Drag and drop dimensions and measures onto the shelves to create your charts and dashboards. And that's it. You've successfully connected Tableau to your SQL database. Now you can create insightful visualizations, analyze your data, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Remember to regularly refresh your connection to keep your analysis current.